today, I also made some new maze videos if you haven't seen them. And today we're playing Teardown again. I know you haven't seen me playing Minecraft, but trust me, I will play Minecraft again. I'm not going away. Anyways, if you wonder why I haven't been seeing you guys in a long time making new videos, I just wanted to have a good, happy break. The break is almost over, so anyways, it was kind of Christmas time, so that's why I couldn't make any videos for you guys, but today I'm back. I'm probably not going to be back in like 2 to 3 days, because I'm going to be at school, but anyways, I'm going to come back. Do you see me building those mazes? Yeah, just watch the videos. It's just me making the Among Us maze and the big maze, but anyways, let's just play Teardown. See my gosh, my finger's so itchy. I don't know what is on my finger. Anyways, let's go to a random world. We're not gonna, you know what we'll do. So this one's a little creepy, but anyways, we're gonna do the village again, because of course we love the Minecraft village. It's the beautifulest thing we've ever seen. Okay, it's not the beautifulest thing, but anyways, we're gonna do Minecraft village, and then we are going to do this. So let's find the Minecraft village. Okay, let's go. Stop being ridiculous. Anyways, here we go. Is this the desert village? I did something wrong. Let's just do a random thing and I'll just get the flip out of here. Let's get out. Let's just get out. Because that's the wrong type of Minecraft. There, this is the one we're playing. I do. Yeah, moving villagers. Guys, I'm going to have to turn my microphone off because someone's about to come to our house in like a couple minutes. Anyways, guys, I'm probably going to have to turn my microphone off because someone's at the house. But anyways, I'm probably going to make a scene in this video. But anyways, here we go. We have a stay Minecraft. We've seen this place before and we've actually obliterated it. But let's just do it again. You see enough? Where did the house go? It just ripped it out of the ground. And now it's gone. It's out of sight. Okay, let's burn these houses down. Okay, I know this house is. Oh, it is toasted. Look at everything. It's. That is what you have to do to a house. You need to absolutely destroy the house to break it. Woo, destroyed that house. Okay. Anyways, there better not just be those two stupid houses. There better be an inner house. I'm not just destroying two houses for nothing. Is this a house you can lift up? Oh, it sure is. Look how destroyed it is. All the houses is still burning. Look how destroyed it is. Oh dear, we're about to die. Oof. I can't believe I survived. We need to restart the map because this is crazy. Now we have our 2 beautiful houses. We have every house now? Okay. Let's burn this house. Hey, villager. I mean, hey, villager. Why did I say villager? I said villager. Maybe I can call him Billy. Hi, Billy. You're about to be completely toasted, Billy. I literally see your skeleton. Oh my goodness. Is this just cursed? What happened to him? Hi, Billy. What do you... Oh my goodness, that is terrifying. I don't ever want to see you again. You're gonna literally give me nightmares. Okay, let's just get that nightmare feel out of here. And let's just burn some other villagers down. Because that's what we do. We just destroy and burn things down. Anyways, you can see that villager is completely disintegrated. Anyways, oh, hi, what are you doing? Are you okay? Are you okay? I think you need some help, little guy. You know what? I don't care. I'm just gonna burn him. I'm just gonna burn him like I do to everything. He's... Let's just toast a villager to toasty. Oh, look at all the smoke from the house. It's just burning. How did this house start burning down? I actually don't understand how this happened. But you see the house is burning down, and oh my goodness, that villager is destroyed. Hi, little guy. Are you alive? Yeah, you're alive. 3, 2, 1. Destroyed this part. Singing the song that I used for my ball run. If you want to download ball run, it's called Ball Run 2048. If you ever want to play it. Anyways, remember my first teardown video? Yeah, I know. You couldn't hear that actually. If you don't have good ears, you probably didn't hear the sound of what I said. But it's called Teardown. I think you have to buy it, but it's called Teardown, and it's a really cool game. And here it is. It's this game. The game I'm playing right now. Oh my goodness. What did I do to this house? Remember what I did to those cows in one of the villagers? It still makes me laugh today. Anyways, let's see what this is. We know the diamonds in here are like indestructible. Oh, hi, Sorty. Hi, Diamond. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, stupid diamonds and stuff. You're about to get completely... Oh. Bye-bye. Holy moly. Literally the diamond is like the only thing left in there is a diamond. Let's take this beautiful diamond. Get the flip out of here with it. A beautiful diamond. And then this sword okay? Where is the sword? It got completely disintegrated in there. Wait, is this an armor? There's no way there's actually like an armor set in there. That would have been cool. I don't know what is this, but it doesn't matter. What is it? Just tell me what it is or I'll crush the door or I'll break your door, you stupid villager. It's not even living in this house. I actually did kill all the villagers, you can see. We had to dye a pig today. It had to die. But I might cook it for bacon tonight. Just kidding. I know you're very sad about this little piggy. I know he used to be alive and he used to be with his family. Bye-bye, stupid pig. Okay, I know that's kind of mean, but anyways, here we go. Let's just crush the farmers. They don't even know I'm destroying this because they're already dead, so let's just destroy the whole farm. Let's see, the whole farm is destroyed. There's no more food for them, so they'll die anyways. All their houses are burned down. So oh my gosh, what happened to the house? Hi, little piece of whatever this stuff is. Just knock this whole tree down. Of course we knocked the trees down. Let's destroy the tree to flipping dust. Let it smash into everything. Let it calm down. Oh my gosh, it's not calming down. You want to see how to obliterate a villager? Well, create a brand new world like this. Then get asteroid strike. Find a villager and put asteroid strike on it so many times, and just wait for it to come. You might actually die, but the villager will be completely obliterated. Oh my goodness, I actually destroyed the villager. And you could see, oh my gosh, it's steaming everywhere. You can go over here, go to the house. Here's the house. Okay, it definitely got, where did that, oh, it's definitely this house. And you can see the villager is gone. Yep, it's out of sight. There's nothing left of this village. Oh, you're so lucky, cow. You were the luckiest cow in the universe. Now you're not. Stupid old cow. Anyways, we absolutely crushed this place. Wait, is there any valuables? This place? Okay, there better be some iron in this chest. I'm not saying. There's always iron in these chests. Anyways, I don't know when I obliterated the chest, but let's see what's inside. Oh no! Just a rock and this weird wooden thingy. Oh, this is a... Wait, this might be a gold ingot, an iron ingot, or a copper ingot. Is this the new update? This looks like a copper ingot. I don't know. It's not even copper ingots in Minecraft. Anyways, it made me fall on the screen. It looked like a whole bunch of like random stuff, and it looked like my game completely overloaded and crashed. Anyways, oh, sorry, villager. I'm so sorry. You just have to stare at your house just burning down. Actually, I already destroyed the villager. I had that. It's your last day to stare at your burning house because your life is about to end. Bye-bye, Billy. Sure, I had to talk to somebody. Anyways, my brother got to a really big number, a really big score in a game. Anyways, here we go. house. What is wrong with it? Look at the farm. Look at that tree. Look at the. What did I do? What did I absolutely do to everything? Wait, why is there these little like spots on the ground? What the heck? Oh, it's just the. Why did I think that was something really weird? I thought that was a bug, but it's just a stupid bush! I think I saw a villager. There you are, villager. Destroy you with the pigs. Holy smokes, I just did that. I'm so sorry, pig, for killing your mommy. Whatever you are, your child. I don't know who that was. I'm so sorry, kid. I mean, I'm so sorry, little piggy, for killing one of your friends or something. I'm so sorry. And now you have to stay here, or I'll burn your eye like I'm about to do. Or take your whole head off. Anyways, let's keep doing this. Anyways, whoa. Let's just burn this whole house down. That'll be the best. Don't just let it burn down. Anyways, what is the... Holy moly, the house is done. Did you just see what happened to this house? It is so destroyed. Look at all this destroyed stuff that's inside. The whole house. What are you doing just walking around, little villager, with arms that just have bones in them? It seems kind of scared to just have bones and you're unconnected. Anyways, I'm sorry. I had to rip your head off and also disintegrate your body. Okay. The glass. This is a way to break into someone's house. Here, I'll show you how to break into someone's house. If you ever want to sneak on your villagers' diamonds without them screaming in your nose, then this is what you do. First, you get this. Then find the villager house. Smash the heck out of the window. Go in the house, grab something, and run out, and then just do this to the house. Get asteroid strike, do this all over the house quickly, and then run for your life. So the villager didn't wake up and kill me. And that's how you do. That's how you steal a villager's diamond. And this is what happens. So, anyways, what is the smoke gone? It's just there for so long. Oh, hi, little random out of the sight villager. Anyways, let's see what happened to the house. Wow, there's smoke everywhere. You can see out of my sight, the house is completely destroyed. Like, actually, look at the house. It's just so destroyed. Look at the house. I don't know what I've been recording for too long. But anyways, guys, I'm going to wrap it up the video. If you had fun watching the video, I'll see you in another video. Bye!